Hey scholars, Mr. Byrne here. This is just a quick tutorial on how to change your profile picture across the Google Suite. This is a great way to present a professional appearance to your community and your clients. This is also really beneficial for Google Classroom, so I know who's who. So this is an ATL grade, so you need to have a current picture in there. So a selfie or self-portrait of yourself, and I want it to be something from the shoulders up, essentially, so we can see your face. Okay, so it's really simple. You can actually go to any of your Google Suite areas, so your email or even calendar, or I believe even Drive. You have these little icons over here. So if you actually click on your account, so this is me, and right here you have this little icon. You can go in and then select the photo from your computer, or if you already have it in there, or if you're already on your computer, you can just add it right there. It is that simple. But I'm going to be looking for your photo. Is there? If you already have one, great. You're already done with this assignment. You get the points. Congratulations. But if you don't have one, make sure you get your image in there. Hit me up if you have any questions. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.